Hello guys, my name is Mayur Naik. I'm studying in SPC Bangalore at IC department. So today's topic is custom validation. What is custom validation? Custom validation in Django refers to the process of implementing specific data checking and verification rules that go beyond the built-in validation provided by Django's form and model fields. It allows developers to define their own criteria for what constitutes valid data, ensuring that the data meets specific business rules or application requirements before it is proceeded or saved to the database. So, what are the uses of custom validation? So, common uses of custom validation is that it is specialized field format and database level checks, and we have complex data relationships. So first, we look after the specialized field format. So go beyond basic data types, validate phone numbers, zip codes, or custom ID formats that Django default validation does not handle. Then database level checks. So enforces constraints not directly reflected in field types. For instance, ensure a username isn't already taken in the database, preventing duplicate entries. Complex data relationship. Move beyond individual field validation. Verify how different fields within a form or model interact with each other. For example, check if its start data precedes and end data to maintain data consistency. So what a validator? A validator is a function that takes a value as input, checks if the value meets specific conditions, raise a validation error if the conditions aren't met. So here we define validators like this. So we use def validate username length value. If length value is smaller than 5, raise validation error username must be at least 5 characters long. So here this is our validated function. So the above function is a validated function and it's an example of it. So basically it takes a username as input. So then checks if its length is less than 5. Then it raises an error if the username is too short. How is validator used? So username is equal to models character field maximum length is equal to 100 and validators is equal to validate username length. So here we tell Django to use validator function to check the username field. Django automatically runs their validator. When you call full clean on a model instance, when you use a model form which calls full clean internally. Benefits of validator. So it's reusable, it is a separate concerns, then easy to test. Implementation of custom validation. So first we define the model. So from Django we import models, then we then Django.core exceptions import, then we import validator validation error. Then we define class which is consisting of title, content and published data. So the model's character field maximum. So we set the maximum length as 100. Then we create a custom validator function. So we define and validate title on numbers value and if statement is to be used for the digits. Then raise validation errors. So we print title cannot contain numbers. And define validate content or length value. So if length value is smaller than 50, raise validation error. So we print content must be at least 50 characters long. So when we add validators to model fields, again we define class that is blog post models.model. So we define title, contents and published data. So in title we have models.character. Again we initiate maximum length as 100. Then content model text field validator is equal to validate.content length. Then publish date models date time field auto now add is equal to true. Then we implement model level validation, class block post model. So we define clean, that is just in a bracket self. So we define self dot title lower is equal to self dot content lower, raise validation error. Implement form level validation if needed. Class block post form. Then we define class meta. Model is equal to block post. Field is equal to title content and define clean self. Clean data is equal to super clean. Title is equal to clean data get title. Content is equal to clean data dot get. If title is equal to content is equal to title dot lower, then in content lower. Raise validation error. Title cannot appear in the content. Create a view to handle the form. So we implement form level validation if needed. So hashtag we use the view dot python so that it is view. Create a template to display the format. So templates use the HTML tags. We use HTML for this. So we create blog post HTML form method is equal to post. Then we can display error in field error, and we can end if and the button type. Then we can submit. That's all for today. Thank you.